I don't know if you guys have seen, but Coinbase, you've probably seen by now. If you haven't, I don't know where you've been, but Coinbase had its market debut, and really this is a huge event for crypto in general. There are some risks going forward, but this is a massive event for crypto. It gives it a lot of validity in the minds of institutional investors and in the minds of people who might have been unsure about crypto before. Now a lot of these people are seeing Coinbase, seeing the market cap, and now people are going to want to invest in crypto in some way, but they don't want to invest directly into, let's say, Bitcoin or Ethereum, and they don't want to do that. They can invest now directly into Coinbase, which is the largest company by far in the crypto space that is going to go public. It is by far the largest crypto company that's going to be going, that is public. And this is the world's second largest digital asset exchange by trading volume, according to CoinMarketCap. And it's really just going to legitimize a lot about cryptocurrency in general. It's going to be immediately in the top 100 most valuable companies in the US, and it shows how big the industry, how big crypto is, and how fast it's growing. Because Coinbase has grown extremely fast from private rounds of funding just a couple of years ago. Now they're valued, $100 billion or more. Pretty crazy. But on top of this, investing in Coinbase, a lot of people are wondering, should they invest, should they not invest? But really, investing in Coinbase right now, there are really two main risks, and there's a lot of reasons to invest in it as well. So let's go over the risks. The two risks that I see are, first of all, which is volatility. It's really tied a lot to what's going on with Bitcoin and the price of Bitcoin. If Bitcoin's going up, more people are investing in crypto and Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, all those different coins. Well, then Coinbase is going to generate more revenue. And so really it's not directly tied to the price of Bitcoin, but a lot of the revenues are correlated to the price of Bitcoin, how many people are investing. So if Bitcoin sees a massive drop off, it tanks, well then Coinbase will probably suffer as well. Their revenues will suffer as well. Past quarter though, they did amazing. They had $1.8 billion in revenue in the first quarter of 2021. It was an 844% year over year increase. So obviously you could see about 844% year over year increase in terms of revenue. Bitcoin did about the same thing. Bitcoin was up around 900%. So same thing in terms of Bitcoin and Coinbase's revenue and their numbers. So not exactly, but it's pretty similar. Another risk to investing in Coinbase. So first of all, they have a bunch of risks on their filings about the price and the fluctuations of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Another risk could be with regulation, because earlier this year, Janet Yellen warned in her confirmation hearing that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are mainly used for illicit activity and that the government needs to curtail this use. They need to put regulations in place to protect against it, because that's what they're worried about. So there could be government regulations put into place that could really not like hurt Bitcoin and Coinbase, but it could slow them down pretty significantly. So those are the two risks. But some things to like about investing in Coinbase is that every single ETF out there that wants exposure to Bitcoin, they're probably going to invest in one of two things. Now they have Coinbase, and the other one, which a lot of them have already invested in, is Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, GBTC. So now I think any ETF that is looking for some sort of crypto exposure, they're all going to be buying up Coinbase. Doesn't matter if we're talking about ARK Invest ETFs or ETFs that are based just high growth ETFs. I think any ETF that wants exposure to crypto, to Bitcoin, I think they're going to put their money into Coinbase because it is the largest crypto company out there that is public, and it's really a giant. So a couple of things to really like about it. I think there's going to be a lot of money pouring into Coinbase just because it doesn't just represent like an exchange, but it represents just cryptocurrency in general. And anyone who wants any exposure to crypto, they're going to be pouring money, I believe, into Coinbase.